Inheritance example. Inheritance is used to declare a new class called a derived class based on an existing class known as a base class. Derived classes inherit and can extend the properties, methods, events, fields, and constants defined in the base class. Select New from File menu. Select Visual C# project. Select Console application. Type your project name. Select location to save the project. Execute the project. Prints a line of text into screen. Copying required code to create a class person. Type or paste required code to create the class person. Copying required code to create a class cricket player which is derived from the class person. Type or paste required code to create the class cricket player which is derived from the class person. Copying code to create and initialize the object. Type or paste code to create and initialize the object. Execute the project. The output is displayed.